Hey guys, it's AJ at HOGWORKZ, and today I have the carbon fiber front fender for your lowrider ST. These are going to fit 18 and newer lowrider ST models. These are going to be a direct replacement from your factory front fender, and we offer them in chopped and standard length in carbon fiber, and they're going to be significantly lighter than your factory front fender. We got our takeoff lowrider ST front fender here. We're going to put it on the scale and see how much it weighs. Now we're going to do the carbon front fender, and it's so light it doesn't even register. So that's how much weight you're saving. You're going from 3 pounds to almost nothing. Light as a feather. And they will go well with all the other carbon fiber accents on your bike. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Let's get these put on the bike. All right guys, first step is going to remove the 4 Torx bits from this bike. They're going to be the T27. We're going to have 2 on each side here. Same on the other side. Hold the fender so it doesn't fall. We'll remove the fender and install our carbon fender. So we'll put it on like this. Just kind of hold the fender in place, get this started, and we'll get the other side started. That'll hold it in place. Get it tightened down, go ahead and admire it, make sure it looks good, go hit the road. That concludes the install of the lowrider ST carbon front fender. Thanks for watching. Go pop some wheelies and burn some rubber. Hell yeah, brother!